Alright guys, we are working on the Ram tonight. We had some exhaust work done today. That Dynatech muffler we've been looking to put in, and we had our cutout put in. So we're actually going to install our actual electric motor now for the cutout. And it shouldn't take long. We're going to find a power source and all that good stuff. A little cramped in the garage, but we got some projects going on, so that's what it is. I could have pushed this out, but we're just gonna leave it. This isn't a big job, and it shouldn't take that long. And we do have one more thing to do on the quad back there. The front wheel bearing started making some racket, so we're going to have to replace that. Alright guys, we got the electric cutout installed, which I'm going to show you guys now before it gets all dirty. But so that was our Dynatech muffler that we had added in, and we still do have our stock resonators back there because they pretty much tell us not to remove those. And then this is our electric cutout that we got all installed, and that was about it. It was a pretty easy process. They tucked the motor, when they welded this in for me, they put a nice angle on it, so when I put the motor on and all that stuff, you can see it was very tight and it looks good. So we ran our wire down the frame there. And then our wire comes up here. We put a little zip tie there, and then we had it run through here. It comes all the way through here, and then you can kind of see the wire snaking down to that grommet down there. And this is actually where we hooked up our power. And there's like a little baby fuse underneath here. And that also, oh, I didn't zip tie that wire yet. I'm gonna clean that wire up. But with that grommet, what I did is I just put a little slit in it, so the wires were able to tuck in. I was able to push it back on. So should not be a. All right, and then where we put our switch, we drilled a little tiny hole, and we put our switch right there. So open and shut. So, and there's a little module right there if you could see it, and it all tucks in real nice. And that was pretty much that. It went in pretty easily. It works really good. I know you guys probably want to start up right now, but I'm gonna hold off just because I want to actually make a proper video of it not just stuffed in the garage. But yeah, other than that, I'd highly recommend them and all that. And our other issue we're having is with this intake. Apparently it sucks so hard that it's tearing up our insulation here. So what I'm probably going to do is cut a section of this out, and then I might have to maybe get some good sided double 3M tape or something, or maybe, I don't know, maybe there's something else I could do. Maybe there's more holes where I could put some more grommets like that in. I don't think so. I'll have to figure something out so I don't have that stuff sucking onto my intake and then either somehow weaseling its way into my intake or just clogging up my filter. So that'd be no bueno. So I will do a quick startup for you, but it probably won't sound as great because we're just in the garage. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I was just wanted to show you guys the electric cutouts, and it's Grananelli is the brand we went with, which was about mediocre on price. The ones on eBay for like 60-70 bucks were very tempting, but we decided not to go with that. I wanted to put something nice on the truck, so maybe they're just as good. It wouldn't surprise me, but I guess a little peace at mind. I've heard that this is a good brand, so that's what we're going with, you know, so we'll see how long it lasts. Like I said, I'm going to make a better sound clip video on this thing, but I want to get the truck washed up, and we're going to put in a nice video and kind of edit it up and that, and yeah, try to do something a little fun with it. So we'll see what happens with that, but hopefully in the next month here or so. But alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.